when your girlfriend has a thing for superheroes.
Babes, me hungry.
Yeah? Where you want to eat?
Me no know you know. Babes, look there.
Wait there. Anna,
At
the
the
sprint. Yeah, man, me, man, the sprint. The fastest man alive. Whoa, you like our biggest hero. Me girl, she have your comic book them, you posted them, or you tie them. Are your girl that? You're lucky, eh? Thank you for that. But just want to say, oh, your bad the way you run fast, run on the world, go through town, all them so. Wait there. What just happened a while ago? You hear that? You hear what? Babe, you never hear that a while ago? Wait there. Oh, I really are going?
Nothing I want. You always think something I want.
No, something or something. Yo, hero boy, where you and me girl just do? Me and your girl don't do nothing, my youth. Really? Me not believe you. Looking at me eye and tell me say you don't do nothing with me girl. Me? No. Do? Nothing with your girl. Yo, hero boy, you are got dead.
Ras, me spider sense. Your man come home early.
Quick, go on the bed.
Who you have in here?
What?
Me say, who you have in here?
Me no know what you talk about. You always a coping something.
Somebody tell me say them see one man climb through the window.
I who tell you that no. No say people not like see me and you together.
I bet say him under the bed.
No weird. Nobody look under the bed.
But Koya, who for red years is this?
I see you. A surprise me. They want to surprise you.
But me know where Yeezys or clocks me prefer.
Oh.
Where where I do pa me ceiling, why?
You know say rob a try, man a try rob you, and I save man try save your boy. You too ungrateful. Later.
Babes, me ever tell you why me leave me ex?
Yeah, you know say you never tell me. Why you leave him?
Well, first me find out him a wife, and two picnic.
Oh, so that's why you leave him.
Well, no, 'cause he's a good guy. Him just crazy.
Crazy? Crazy how?
In love fight. In love fight off everybody.
Him love fight everybody?
Yeah, I saw him stay. When me say everybody, I mean everybody. Him coulda all one come fight you too.
What? One come fight me too? Tell him to try it. You don't know me, no. You don't know me. Me are the roughest, toughest, baddest Jamaican. Me mash up people for fun. By the way, who are your ex?
It's me, Goku!
Goku, are your ex?
It's me, Goku!
Is Goku gonna get mashed up by the roughest, toughest Jamaican? Is there any more exes we need to worry about? Is this gal a real crosses? All this and more on the next episode of What Are We?
Peaches, open up. I know he's in here. You know we gotta fight. It's inevitable.
Right, kid. Him wanna use big words.
Do not let him in.
What happened to you? You're afraid?
Me not afraid, you know. Right now, my stomach a hurt me. Me not feel good. It feel like me want do.
Afraid, you're afraid.
You guys are taking too long. I'm just gonna use instant transmission.
Bombard!
Okay, I'm in. You ready to do this?
Yo, why for that talk there? Anyway, we fight, me want you at your fullest power.
Full power, huh? Okay, you asked for it.
Why again? Just hurry up and know you're the man. Shut up. You make too much blasted noise.
It's me, Quagmire. I'm in town, baby. I wonder if, we could giggity, 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 giggity.